This is the sixth over of the Affiliate Marketing T20 series, and in this video, I will tell you three methods through which you will find millions of affiliate products. Hi, I'm Shubhamjeet Kumar, and before I jump in, I'd request you to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you do not miss on any updates. Okay, so let's jump in. Alright, so as I said in the sixth over, I will tell you how to find products for affiliate marketing. Okay, and as per my research and experience, there are three ways through which you will find affiliate products. Okay, the first one is brand website. Okay, so let's say your favorite brand is Nike. So go to Google and type Nike affiliate program. Okay, in fact, I'll share my screen and walk you through the steps. Okay, so Nike affiliate program. Okay, so here we see Nike affiliate program. So to become an affiliate of Nike, open this link, click on apply now, and click sign up and join program by clicking this plus sign in the left hand panel. So click this link, click this button join even, fill up the form, and you will be a Nike affiliate. Okay, perfect. So that was about method 1, going to Google and typing brand followed by affiliate program and filling up the form. Okay, now the second method of finding products for affiliate marketing is going to affiliate marketplaces and creating an account on clickbank, digistore24, Amazon Associates, CJ Affiliate, Impact, which was previously known as Impact Radius, and jvzoo. Okay, there are a lot of other affiliate marketplaces, and inside my community I will give you a list of more than 10-15 affiliate marketplaces where you will find millions of products to promote to your audience. Okay, so if you want to join my community, I've placed the link in the description box, and in the first comment I've pinned the first comment, so you can click the link and enroll and join my community. Okay, now the third way of finding products for affiliate marketing is the hidden method. So what do I mean by the hidden method? Look, there are brands who have an affiliate program but they've not disclosed it publicly. Okay, so if you want to be an affiliate of your brand but see they do not have any affiliate program, go to their website, visit the contact page, the brand's contact page, and write them an email asking if they have an affiliate program. Okay, and if they have, they'll reply with the link to register. Okay, but one thing you need to take care of is when you go to the contact page and inquire, the email should have number 1, in fact I'll write this down here. Number 1, your website's URL. Okay, then type of content you post on your website or YouTube channel. Okay, then number 3, how do you promote content? Okay, how you promote content? Do you promote it on social media? Do you utilize the power of ads? Is your website SEO optimized? Do you use influencer marketing? Whatever ways you use to promote your content, you can specify it in the email. Okay, and then demographics. You need to tell them where your visitors come from. Okay, let's say your visitors come from 10 countries, so make a list of those 10 countries. And also one more thing, number of monthly visitors. Okay, so you need to have your website's URL, the type of content that you post, how you promote your content, the demographics of your visitors, and the number of monthly visitors. Okay, and if you want to add any other thing, you can add it. So my website URL is shubhamjeetkumar.com. I post educational content, product reviews, A versus B, and so on. I promote my content on social media. My website is SEO optimized. I create content on YouTube. I also run ads to promote my affiliate content, and I also run webinars. Okay, then I have people visiting my website from 109 countries, and the number of monthly visitors I get are around 4,000, 5,000. Okay, so if you want, you can take a screenshot of this mind map. Perfect. So when you go to your brand's contact page, make sure you have everything, okay? And if you want, you can add many other things, okay? But make sure you come across as a legitimate affiliate marketer, okay? Because if they see that you are not legitimate, you are unethical, they'll not give you the link, okay? So those are the three methods through which you can find millions of affiliate programs of your favorite brands, okay? Now I want to ask you a question. Do you want to make 1 lakh rupees per month through the power of affiliate marketing? If yes, do you want to sell once and earn repeatedly? In my community, I share products that you can sell once, and until your customers renew, you will make commissions. Okay, so sell once and earn repeatedly. If that's you, I'd suggest you join my community by clicking the link in the description, and it is also the first pinned comment. Okay, so I will pin the first comment so you can click the link, enroll, and start learning right away. All right. So that's about this short video. In this video, I shared 3 ways through which you can become an affiliate of your favorite brands, and you will find millions of affiliate products to promote to your audience. And if this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you'd like to see content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss on any updates. So that's about this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.